Hey guys, I'm Jenny.
I'm Tiffany.
I'm Vanessa.
Welcome to our channel, and this is our first video ever, so we hope you guys enjoy it.
Yes. So today we're making fully loaded baked potatoes. For our ingredients, we have Idaho potatoes, Gardein beefless ground beef, Kraft barbecue sauce, manwich sloppy joe sauce, some Daiya cheese that's already shredded, green onions, and also some apple juice. So let's get started. Go ahead and start heating up our sauce. So we're going to go ahead and add our manwich sloppy joe sauce and also some barbecue sauce. So we'll wait for that to boil. Or not boil, but simmer. Or heat up, yeah. We'll put like maybe 2 tablespoons.
I can smell it already.
Yeah. And like barbecue sauce. So once it gets heated up, we'll go ahead and add our Gardein beefless ground beef.
Oh, and this is vegan, guys.
I'm vegan.
Yes. Okay, it's pretty hot. Whoa,
Not yet.
I can see steam. Ow,
I think
ow.
that's from the can.
Ow.
Okay, we'll just add this. So
Entire-
add the entire Gardein, and then just have that break down. Just keep stirring. And we already baked our potatoes already in a 425-degree oven for about 45 minutes.
If you guys say no, we're sisters.
Yeah.
She's the oldest, and then
She's
next oldest.
We're only 11 months apart.
And then I'm not the youngest. You have another brother, but youngest here.
Can you tell that we're sisters? Do we look alike?
You guys also have apple juice?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Can you just this when she hold on?
Oh yeah, you can.
And then you want apple juice?
No, I have water. I don't really like apple juice.
So we were inspired to make a mukbang from Mommy Tang.
Mommy Tang?
Yes, Mommy Tang. Tang gang.
Wow. BB.
BB and Say?
No, BB.
What?
From League. Tell
I
her what
don't
happened.
know what that means.
This doesn't mean baby.
No, tell her what happened.
BBG.
No,
Baby girl.
you have to tell her what
I
happened.
don't know what happened.
So we were playing League of Legends, and then
And for you guys who don't know what that is, it's like an online MMORPG game. MMORPG. What is it?
MMORPG? I don't know.
actually don't know.
But it's just
Something
a,
like
yeah.
that.
It's
But
just
it's a
a
game, like-
game where you fight.
Dota,
It's pretty fun.
Anyway, someone asked for something, a favor, and I forgot what happened. But then, and then we helped that person out, and then out of nowhere, that person's like, "Thank you, BB."
Oh yeah.
And our friend was like, "What's
BB?
BB?"
Just like 2 letters, B and B.
Whenever our friend was like, "What's BB?" And they were like, "It's baby." And then like, "Oh, BBG." And I was like, BBG.
Oh, baby girl.
And then Becky, she was like, BBB. I was like, "What is that?"
Becky is her friend.
She's like, "Baby boy."
Oh.
That game. Oh, I meant, there's like, is this enough sauce?
Yeah, you just gotta keep stirring it.
I'm so hungry. Can we
This is like a
see this?
breakdown.
It will eventually break down just because it's frozen, so you just heat it up until you just cook it until it's all heated up. Since it's vegan, you don't have to make sure that it's like cooked inside because there's no meat inside.
No, mate.
This is my first time eating vegan baked potatoes.
It's actually really good. You guys should try it.
Look.
It looks real, huh? But it ain't.
But it ain't.
You want me to cut yours?
There's like
I'll tell you, you made this, I did wrong. Yeah. Actually accidentally loaded too much of this.
So if you see a white dog in the background, that's our dog. Her name's Lexi.
And then we have one right here too.
So you might see his head pop up.
Yes.
So
He is extremely clingy. Extremely clingy. So if I put him down, he's gonna start crying.
So that's why he has to sit up here.
he might go peekaboo.
The pop's head.
Alright.
Oh, I can't wait to eat
This is
that.
done. Wait, so are we supposed to melt the cheese?
No,
you just
you
put it in
just
the cup.
cook it until it's all heated up, and then you
Look
just
at the
load
steam.
it up.
Can you guys see the steam? That's how hot it is. And still
Some
not
apple
done.
juice?
Smells really good right now.
You just cook it until
I
it's
love
heated
apple
up.
juice.
Oh, my arms.
I think technically it's
I
done.
think it's done.
Is it hot?
I can't tell. Do you want to scoop a little bit on your spoon?
I think it's
I
hot.
think it's good now.
Let me check. Yeah.
Oh, you guys might be wondering why we're eating vegan baked potato. It's because she's vegetarian, and then she's vegan,
We'll go ahead and just turn
and
it off.
then
Oh, you don't mean that?
No.
she got me into eating vegan. So it's been about 2 months.
Yeah.
2
I
3
started
months.
off as a pescatarian, and then I went into vegetarian because I got tired of eating seafood. And then she went into vegan last year.
Yeah.
So I've been a vegetarian or eating without meat for like more than
Oh, this is that's how you're supposed to
7
do it?
years now.
Mhm.
Oh,
How have you been doing?
do it like this.
Oh yeah, I do like that too. So let's start eating,
Are we supposed to
guys.
scoop some potato out to put the meat in the middle?
Is yours still hard?
No, that's fine.
Yeah, just break it up. Is yours
Oh.
hard?
It's okay.
You might want to soft. Oh, this one right here. Do this one.
No. She tried to sabotage me by giving me a break.
Is that one too hard?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Hard too?
No.
Like you just scoop it. Like break it up.
You don't get to add some of that cheese up in here. I love cheese.
I hate cheese.
I love cheese.
Can I just eat the potato? I don't want to
Yeah,
eat
you
potato.
can.
Maybe I should add some more cheese.
I never used to like the Daya cheese or Daya. How do you even say it? Daya or Daya?
Daya?
I don't know. But with their
Daya.
new recipe, it actually tastes really good. You want some cheese?
Nope.
Some green onion? No. So here's ours.
Oh, hers looks good.
Or here's mine. You want green onion?
I don't like green onion. Look at hers.
What is going on with your baked potato?
Oh, I
Oh,
get
here's the
simple.
other one. Here's the other dog. Okay, enjoy.
She can't.
Ooh,
Let's try it out.
it's gonna be good. I already
Ready?
know.
Let's
One.
take the first bite.
Any day now. 1, 2, 3.
It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
I like the sauce.
The green onion makes it taste
The
good.
barbecue sauce.
I think the cheese. I love cheese. I like anything with cheese, so.
Ew.
I
I haven't had cheese in like, I think 7, 8 years. Lexi! Oh, she's awesome. Is that good?
Lexi, that's the dog's name, the white one. And then we have this one right here. His name is Snippy.
Lexi's
And we had him for over
smart.
like 11 years.
Yeah, I think he's like 14 years old now.
And
He's a senior.
Lexi's about like 4 years. So when I bought Lexi, they chopped off her tail and they didn't tell me. And so
It's called docking, guys. They dock her
they
tail.
chopped it off, but they didn't tell me. So
She didn't realize that her tail was
How do you
docked.
not realize? So the dog came home.
She was a puppy.
She was in pain.
Wait, baby puppy. How do you tell?
You can tell.
No, her fur was covering
I
the
can tell.
wound. I couldn't tell.
That's good.
You guys eat the skin?
Yeah. Like the leftovers, I would eat it. I mean, like at the end.
The skin has the most nutrients.
She actually makes this into like sloppy joe as well. It's
The
really good.
sloppy joes.
Yeah, you
Really
can
good.
just do the filling and then just put it on like a hamburger bun and then sloppy joe.
So vegan isn't too bad. Like the foods are still good.
Mhm. It just tastes like regular food. My girl's like, people don't want to eat it because they know that it's not real. So there's like that. I'm good.
My brother's not vegan and he still loves it. Actually, he eats it everything.
Yeah. But lately, like, I think he's been eating a lot of vegan food too.
I want some more. Some of that meat.
Actually, they meat more than the actual potato.
Some more cheese. And green onion.
Oh, what's that?
You can skip it out.
Mm. I just like there. So yeah, we've been watching Mommy Tang for a while,
Yeah. You love her channel.
and she pointed out something that one of her daughters, one of her daughters, I look like one of them whenever I was little.
Really?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, do you have a picture?
Amber?
No.
I don't know their names.
Yeah, it's Amber.
It's the eyes.
Cheeky house?
Yeah. Because whenever I was small, or when I was younger, I had like really, really small eyes.
It's like lines.
Yeah. And then whenever I smile, they like,
It's like
they're really
severe.
high. But it's really cute on little kids. I mean, if you're older too, it's okay.
So you say you ain't cute? What?
I thought it was pretty cute.
So yeah, you can tell she has bigger eyes, not like big eyes. Why is that? Is that for
Do
me
you
to
want to
share?
go in depth with
That's
that?
not for me to share. Plastic surgery. No, nothing happened.
But people do think I got plastic surgery or I got eyelid surgery, but no, I didn't. What do you guys think? Do they look good?
Does she look Korean? Do you guys like her hair? The samurai hair?
That's what you call it.
That is like a new style now, though.
Yeah. She just doesn't keep up with the trends, that's
I
why.
don't. Well,
Comment below how old you guys think we are. Well, they say
I'm
they're,
not that old.
they're
okay?
11 months
We're
apart.
11 months apart.
Think, or like say how old you think they are.
Wait, we should have told them that I'm the oldest. So now they're gonna,
Yeah.
of course, give me the older age.
Well, until like now.
Okay, how old do you think I look without knowing that I'm the oldest?
I actually don't like eating potatoes, but I like eating French fries. Like the whole
'Cause they-
potato like this is
They're
just
cooked differently.
too much to me. Okay, you start. What's your favorite food to eat?
What kind of Asian, American?
What's your favorite food that you would pick over anything?
Depends. What kind of Asian, American?
Anything, like your favorite food of all time.
I prefer Asian over American. So if it's Asian, I would pick egg rolls. If it's American, French fries.
We should make some vegan egg rolls. Denise egg rolls.
And I'm kind of like a picky eater, somewhat.
She is a picky eater. There is no somewhat. She is.
I don't eat fruits. I eat vegetables, but I don't eat fruits.
I love fruits.
Who doesn't like fruits?
I love fruits.
It's too sweet. And then there's like only certain food that I'll actually eat a lot of.
And what do you eat a lot of?
Whatever my mom cooks. That I actually like. to eat a lot of. What about you, Tiff?
As of lately, I've been loving pizza.
Oh,
Pizza.
vegan
Pizza, yeah. So just like, there's a lot of places that make vegan pizza, or at least their dough is vegan, and then you can just customize your pizza without cheese. So it's vegan.
I like eating lasagna.
Did you hear that? Snoopy snoring.
That's this dog right here. Look at it.
I think he
Tell
has
us
sleep
something.
apnea.
Snoopy? I think so
Yeah.
too. I can hear him.
No, like every night now, like I noticed that he would stop breathing for like a short amount of period, like a few seconds, and then like you'll hear him like snore really
Gasping
loud,
for
yeah, like
air.
gasping for air, and then he'll just go like he'll just continue sleeping. It's normal for him. I guess he's been doing that, but I've never noticed it until lately.
But yeah, I actually don't know the actual definition. Or like,
For what?
look at it. So,
So that's
You're
like
not
a,
even saying it correctly.
that's like a Vietnamese term that my mom always says to
no,
Lexi.
but why?
Oh, my grandma says to Lexi.
No.
And why is our grandma?
But who was she saying it to? I don't think she's saying it to Lexi.
To Brian? Then Vanessa keeps saying that from now on.
But then, how to say it?
Huh?
How does why say it?
I don't know.
I don't
What's the right
know.
way? I say look at it.
So it's like,
Which is
it's like
not
saying-
right.
Bit mean.
I think it's like
It means butt. Wound. I mean, I
What is
say
it?
it whenever
Hit.
I hit their butt.
hit or slap. It's like, but like,
Wound like that.
she actually slaps Lexi's
Yeah. Wound it. But I actually wound it. How about that?
yeah.
Wound it. Wound it. So guys, guess what? Next week,
EXO.
come back.
What?
EXO, come back.
So some people don't know
Who's excited?
who EXO.
Who's EXO? Everyone knows who EXO is.
I did until she told me about it.
EXO.
So
They're-
explain to them
Explain what?
who EXO is.
You guys know who EXO is.
They don't. Not everyone do.
It's Suho. You know.
Oh,
Who's Suho?
it's not just Suho.
It's a Korean boy group.
Search them as
Boy group,
EXO.
yeah. EXO, not XO. EXO. I went to the concert. It was pretty fun.
She said that one of the members pointed at her.
I have about 1,000 people there. He goes and does this.
Specifically to
He goes and
her.
do this, and
No,
he goes to
I was-
her.
Because there was somebody else that pointed at him. And then I was sitting, I was standing because I was in the
It's like she's
standing
secluded
area.
from everyone else, and he goes and points at her.
Because everybody, they were like doing this or whatever because they wanted to touch his hand. And then I just did this because I remember I was reading that somebody pointed at Daesung at a concert and then he pointed back at her. And so I said, maybe I'll try it. And then I did because Suho went to my side of the stage and then he pointed back.
And she literally died.
Suho, you're so beautiful. He's super beautiful.
So me and Tiffany were forced to, well not really, oh yeah, I can say forced to because we had to go to Vietnamese school to learn how to like speak Vietnamese properly and write and read. And they would always yell at us whenever we speak English. At that time we didn't know English.
Yeah.
Like, because we went to actual...
I mean, we speak English, but it wasn't
like good
well.
English.
Yeah, it wasn't well.
So yeah, I hated Vietnamese school because of that.
I actually never went.
Yeah, because we
Because
moved,
they-
we had to drop out to move here. And I was kind of happy. It wasn't that fun. So, well, Tiff actually finished her food.
Yep.
She actually eats a lot.
I thought you
for
said
someone
that
small.
you were hungry.
I think I ate
It's
that.
the potato.
Yeah, potato's so full. You just mix
Very
it.
filling.
Yeah.
So, leave us comments on how we can improve our video or like, I don't know.
You guys want to see the other dog?
You want to see Lexi?
Where's she?
Lexi,
Bessie?
come here.
Bessie I? Where'd she
Come
go?
here. Come here.
She just got a haircut today. She
She
looks
doesn't
extra
want
good.
to. She doesn't want to come.
Oh, I guess she will be making
Oh,
a appearance today.
Up, up, hey. Oh my goodness. Here
Do you like her hair bow?
she wants
She's
food.
so cute.
She wants food.
She is 3 years old, I think. 4 years old.
Okay, no more. Say hi to camera.
Alright guys, I think we're done. We are so staffed.
Yeah.
So this is our goodbye, farewell.
So we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.